Fire in the hole! Let's cook some chicken wings! Stay tuned! Hello and welcome once again to my backyard barbecue grill. What we're doing today is we're going to cook some chicken wings. And I'm going to prep these wings up very simply. You remember this stuff, Sang stir fry oil? You know we love it for everything. It's got a nice garlic flavor. We're going to slather our wings down with some Sang stir fry oil. That's going to help us bind the shut up dog. That's going to help bind the very simple rub that we're using is salt and pepper. Actually, hardly needs to be bound, but yeah, we got to get it wet with something. Plus, oh, the smell of garlic from that stuff is amazing. Just going to get some more of that on there. Get a little bit of Sangs on there. Then I've got this butcher's salt and pepper that I got over at Wild Fork Foods. And I'm just going to sprinkle those wings with some salt and pepper. Very simply rubbed wings because I'm making a special sauce for these today. And I don't want any kind of rub to influence the taste of this sauce. You're going to see. The sauce I'm going to make is partly my creation and partly somebody else's idea. But I'll talk about that when we start doing the sauce. Meanwhile, let me get the wings rubbed up with some salt and pepper. Both sides. We'll get them in the rotisserie basket. We'll get them on the grill. I got some mesquite wood producing a light smoke. We'll get these wings smoked up. Then we'll make this awesome sauce for these wings. So stay tuned. Okay, the wings are on the grill spinning and they're smoking up nicely. Takes about an hour to cook wings that way. I want the wings to be well cooked. I want them to be at about 175 degrees when I take them off there. Anyway, I got my mixing bowl out here. And I got to tell you the story of this sauce. I was listening to the radio the other day, and one of the local radio stations had a contest to see which of the local food trucks had the best chicken wings. And they had people vote on it. People went and tasted all the wings at different food trucks. And I can't remember the name of the guy who won. I'm so sorry. I wish I could remember, but I don't. And the guy who won came on the radio and they asked him, what's so great about your wings? And he says, well, we use a special sauce that was my mother's idea, handed down from her to us, and that's what we use in our sauce. So they said, well, can you tell us a little bit about it? He says, I'll tell you a few things. He said, I'm not going to tell you the whole recipe because it's a secret. So I said, okay, well, I listened to what they had to say. Here's what they did. They took some Thai-style sweet chili sauce, and this is the cheap Walmart brand of this stuff. Usually I use Mayploy chili sauce. We're going to put the whole jar of that in there. Thai-style chili sauce. Dog, if you're going to make noise, you got to go in the house. Okay, Thai-style chili sauce, the whole jar of that. That's a 13-ounce container. Be quiet! Then we've got some honey mustard. They said they mixed it with honey mustard. So I got some Ken's honey mustard. I'm going to eyeball this, but I think we've got to put about half as much honey mustard as we have chili sauce. Okay, just about like that, I think. Maybe a little more honey mustard. So far we've got the sweet chili sauce and some honey mustard mixed together, which I think sounds pretty good for a wing sauce, because I've had honey mustard wings and I've had sweet chili sauce wings. So the guy said the other thing they put in there, and I don't even know how to get into this package, this is saffron, the world's most expensive spice, and it's in a plastic container that I can't figure out how to open, but I'm going to get that whole thing of saffron in there. And he said they put some other spices in there. Now I put some salt and pepper on the wings, but I'm gonna throw some salt and pepper in this sauce just because I don't like to cook anything that's not seasoned. So I'll put some salt and pepper in there. Not a whole lot, maybe a teaspoon of each, salt and pepper. And then he didn't say whether it had any heat or not, but I decided I'm gonna put some of this in there. Slap Your Mama hot sauce. My favorite hot sauce. And I'm going to put a good bit of hot sauce in there because I like the wings to have a little bit of bite. So I'm probably going to put, this is a, what? I can't read it. whatever ounce bottle this is, I'm going to put about half the bottle in there because I want the wings to have a little bit of bite, you know, a little bit of hotness to them, a little bit more of that. Yeah, so that's about half the bottle of Slap Ya Mama hot sauce. Honey mustard, Thai chili sauce, salt and pepper, and the one thing the guy said that he definitely put in there was saffron. As soon as I can figure out how to open this container of saffron, I'm going to put that whole thing of saffron in there. Very expensive stuff, $5 for that container of saffron. And then we're going to get that in there. I'm going to put this in the fridge and let it chill out while I cook the wings. The wings take about an hour, and I just put them on there. So yeah, let's get that mixed up, and then we're going to put the wings in the bowl after they're cooked and coat them with that sauce. It should be good. I hope it tastes good. Let me take a taste of that, make sure. I haven't got the saffron in there yet, but that's delicious. It's sweet and hot and mustardy all at the same time. So let me get my wings cooked. We'll get them dressed up with the sauce. We'll get them on a plate, cook them and drink a beer, and stay tuned. You'll see what happens. All right, the wings are done. They look good enough to eat all by themselves, just as they are. But I'm going to dunk them in this sauce that I made and get them all stirred around in there and coated with that, with my secret Rootboy sauce. Get them all nice and sauced up. If you like your wings saucy, then this is for you. Which I do like my wings saucy, a little saucy. Anyway, yeah, let's get some of that sauce on there. All right, let me get these plated up and get a beer, and we'll take a taste and drink a beer, so stay tuned. Okay, the wings are done. There's the Frosty Rootboy mug. Here's today's beer. This is Sherman Bock, a German-style Bock beer. Bock beer, it says here, Sherman Bock is a malt-driven lager, perfect for any occasion. All right, well, this is an occasion. We got chicken wings to eat. Let's crack open some Sherman Bock, and it's fizzing up already, and pour it out. Sherman Bock, it's a nice dark lager. Pretty good looking stuff. Pretty nutty looking stuff, Rob. Sherman Bock. I almost got it right this time. Look at that. Almost got a good pour on that one. It's acceptable, not the best. A beautiful color of that Sherman Bock. I wish I had 7.1 alcohol, pairs with ribeye, aged Swiss pasture parties, and chicken wings. It doesn't say that, but I said it. Okay, let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. What do you think? Wow, that's tasty. How about my chicken wings? How do they look? Pretty good, huh? Let's turn the camera around and get some of them in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay, my wings are done. I can't wait to get one in my mouth. Let me show you how beautiful they are. Aren't they beautiful? They're wonderful. Let me get one torn off here. Oh boy. That sauce, it better be good. Let me tell you what. Let me take a bite of that. It's good. Wow. I got it all over my mouth, and I forgot to bring a napkin. The sauce is finger licking good. Let me tell you what. It's got a little bit of heat, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of mustard. I don't know that saffron did anything, but these are some world-class wings. I can understand why they won an award. They're beautiful. Delicious. Very good. I'm very pleased with that sauce. It's all over my face. Anyway. Oh, there you go, babies. Let me get a drink of beer. That Bock beer is good too. You know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard and check out a new channel I found. The name of the channel, I love the name of this channel. Fire and Fat. I think it's the name of the channel, or it could be Fire, Fat, and Salt. Or it could be Fire, Salt, and Fat. I think it's Fire and Fat. No, it could be, I don't know. Just go up in the iCard and check this guy out. He's only got like 4 or 5 videos up, but every one of them is outstanding. And he cooks on this little fireplace grill. It's awesome. Gotta go check him out. He just made a shrimp video that would make your mouth water. Anyway, yeah, that's my video. We'll see you next week. Bye.